What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a lighting upgrade for the 987 Boxster. Here it is. This is coming from Oxbeam. It's an LED light bulb set, H7, and I got it on Amazon because I want to replace, I want to say, older LED bulbs that I put in there about 3 years ago. Me, being a brilliant person that I am, decided to tint my headlights a couple years back, and because of that, I don't really know what's going on the road at night. So, with that, we're gonna install these right here. Check that out. That looks so nice already, and I'm so excited to put these in. Let me pull these out of the box. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take the Boxster out for a quick drive with the current LED set that I have in there right now. And then we're gonna pop these in. I wanna line it up against a wall so you all can really see how it looks. I wanna do a side-by-side comparison with one old bulb and one new bulb before we head out and try both of these new bulbs on the road. But with that, let's go take the Boxster out for the spin with the bulbs that are in there right now so you can see just how bad it is. I forgot that the turbo is in front of the Boxster. So we're gonna have to move this out of the way before we can get to that. So like you can see here, light output on the Boxster isn't the greatest compared to the turbo with the bright yellow headlights right there. I really don't think it has much to do with the tint, just really the bulbs themselves. So I'll flip the camera around and show you what I'm talking about. See if we can get nice and close in there. Yeah, it's got some light output, not the best. Here's what the turbo looks like though. Turbo looks great with older headlights, and you can see down there kind of the difference. So let's take it for a spin and do a comparison. So one more time, this is what I'm talking about right here. See that light output? It's just not where it should be, I feel. Like it looks kind of bright here, but realistically it's pretty dim. I can't see too much when we're driving out at night, and you'll get more of a better look at it when we get out of the garage. This right here is nothing compared to that. So, I don't know. So, on camera it doesn't look that bad. But when you're actually driving and you're behind the wheel, it is really hard to see. So I'm hoping that with these new bulbs, see that Tesla right there, by the way? See that Tesla? Look at how bright those lights are. I have a super dim light in comparison. Even that truck right there that's going has way better lights than me. So we're gonna bring it back, see if the new bulbs will do anything for me. With that said, y'all, I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to change the headlight bulbs on your 987. First things first, we're gonna source our handy dandy Porsche kit. These things should have come in every car, and if you don't have one, they're really easy to find on eBay. I think a lot of parts dismantlers have them and you know, sell them out. But one really interesting tool that you're gonna find in here is this right here. So it's a pretty simple design, but it's so cool that Porsche does this. Basically, this end here is like a hex, and it's just gonna slot right in to a hole right here on your, basically you peel back this carpet and there's a hole. I'll show you right now. So right in there, oops, right in there, there's this hole that you're just gonna stick this tool into, and you're gonna turn it. Once you turn it, the whole headlight unit should just pop out, and it's really, really simple. You know, I remember the old days where you had to like take off your bumper, you know, undo like 10 million things just to get to your headlight. Here, it's as simple as this. Let me show you. Get it in the hole, turn the thing, and you should see your entire headlight just come out. Simple, right? Super simple. So now is when you get to have some fun. So in this Porsche kit, there's a screwdriver. You can use the screwdriver to undo the few screws that are on there, like this one right here, and they go all around. So I'm just gonna do that. Give me a sec. All right, once you have it unscrewed, you should just be able to pull these little tabs right here and pop this entire unit up. There it is. And you have access to this beautiful piece right here. So now that we have the headlight out, it's really just as simple as taking the old bulb out and putting the new one in, and hopefully you did it right. So you're just gonna unplug this, unclip this, old bulb's out. Okay, so here's the new bulb. It's really just as simple as doing that, but backwards. So let's do it. So you lock in this retaining piece here by itself, and then put your bulb in, and you're golden. The only thing that might be an issue, and might make me have to take this thing apart and put it back together, is just double checking the polarity. So making sure that everything is plugged in properly. If not, not the worst thing in the world to undo it and then redo it, but let's go check it out. I'm gonna go pop this thing back in. Lock it into place. Let's go see if it works. I totally didn't just smash the headlight bulb, the old one. Oopsies. But okay, let's check it out. Left dip beam, I don't even know what that means. So amateur hour over here, I didn't check to see if the bulb was actually on. Turns out, wow, it's not. So I'm gonna undo all that, flip the plug, and then do it again. Now we can compare. Check that out. So that is the new bulb right there. That's the old bulb. I'm already seeing a pretty big difference. I'm gonna show you guys from the front what it looks like too, because I really like the color. This was actually the color I was going with, or going for at first, but just I couldn't get it for some reason. So here it is. Kind of hard to see on camera, but it's a brighter, purer white, which looks really nice compared to this. This is a little bit bluer. Not the biggest fan of in the world of it, but ooh, that looks good. Hang on while I do the other side. We just put the second bulb in. Let's see how it lights up. Ooh. I don't know what's going on over here, but I think I can fix it. It might just be a weird cutoff issue or something I need to adjust in the back, but I'll look into it. Let's go take it for a drive. All right, so we're back on the road, and this looks a million times better already. I'm loving the light output on this. Look at that. I think I need to adjust the right bulb a little bit, but I mean, I definitely can't complain. This is really nice. So I was able to mess with the lights a little bit, and I think the right looks a lot better. I still don't know how to get it a little lower. I'm gonna look in the owner's manual, figure that out, maybe look on the forums later, but it is what it is. With that, I'm wrapping up this headlight project for the night. It's kind of late, and I'm kind of tired. So I'm gonna go put the cars back where they belong, call it a night. But ooh, check that out. Nice, pure white right there. Alright y'all, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, peace.